If you are a YouTuber like me, you have this problem. So every time we make videos, we need to editing, right? Editing is really hard and really pain in the ass. I'm not an English native speaker, you know that, right? And I post time to time, it's really hard to cut it, right? And sometimes we need to complicate it. And when we do video editing, we need tools like the Final Cut, Premiere, After Effects. It's really hard to learn, to be honest. My God, I really hate those guys. What if today I bring a thing on the table that can change the whole game? Meet ChatCut. So by the name, I guess you already know what it is. It can help you with motion graphic, and it can help you with video editing. You can write a single prompt to save you tons of the time. Oh, please, why not show me earlier? This tool is revolutionary for a guy like me. If you want to be a YouTuber or influencer in the year 2026, I think the ChatCut is the best software for you. You don't need to download anything. It's super easy to use. Let me show you how to use the ChatCut to editing a video. Alright, this is homepage of this tool. This tool called ChatCut. Your Superman video editor. I don't think they lie because this is really a game changer for me. You know, I spend a lot of time on video editing and sometimes I do make mistakes like everybody else, right? So I may pause, I may have like, so I need to cut them off. But with ChatCut, that part will be so easy that everybody can be a big shot. I think video editing will be no longer a professional because of this tool. Alright, so let's click here, try now, and we can log in by Google account. Wow, it's kind of like the ChatGPT with a chat box here in the middle. It says up to 5 files, maximum 5 GB each. If you are a YouTuber like me, you have this problem. If you are a YouTuber just like me, or if you want to run, okay, I make a lot of mistakes like everybody else, but if I want to use this video in my next video, then I need to video editing tools like the After Effects or Premiere or Final Cut. But those tools are really hard to learn, right? But today with this ChatCut AI, I think we are easy to go. So all you need to do is just click here, upload your media, and select our video. Oh my God, so fast. And let's telling AI what to do next. So the first prompt is to cut it off all the poses and the mistakes I made in the video, make the whole video smooth and clean. Or you can use a shortcut by click here. So now my prompt becomes clean up my video by finding the best takes, remove all the future words, cut the awkward poses. Oh, that's so good. And let's click here. So right now we have a chat box here aside, and here we have our video. If you are a YouTuber, and beneath, just like other video editing tools, we have a timelines, and we can shrink it or we can make it larger. I guess this zone is for human to manipulate the video, and this part is for AI to change the video content. And AI says, now I see your video has a lot of repeated takes. And AI wants to do 5 steps, for example, like selecting the best takes from multiple attempts, like hello, hello. Oh my God, AI just automatically did that. Just take the best shot. And now it's done. Unbelievable. Let's check it out. If you are a YouTuber like me, you have this problem. So every time we make videos, we need to editing. Editing is really hard and really pain in the ass. I'm not an English native speaker, and I post time to time. It's really hard to cut it. And when we do video editing, we need tools like the Final Cut, Premiere, After Effects. It's really hard to learn, to be honest. And what if today I bring a thing on the table that can change the whole game? Meet ChatCut. So by the name, I guess you already know what it is. What unbelievable! I pick up the wrong software when I just become the YouTuber. I should know this earlier. Okay, what about I want to showcase some name of the software? Okay, I just changed my prompt. Say, hey, can you add some text when I say ChatCut? You should text somewhere ChatCut. And let's type. And also you get free credits and you don't need to download anything, and it's super easy to use. Let me show you how to use ChatCut to editing a video.
See, we can add the motion graphics just by typing the prompts, and we can easily modify it, like change it to longer, or if you don't like it anymore, you can directly delete it. It is editable timelines here. As a human, you can also do this, enable snapping, or you can slip the clip. You can easily editing this video by delete the parts you don't want anymore. It's super easy if you're familiar with a Premiere or any other video editing tool. It is my personally best tool of the year. And please remember, you don't need to install any software to occupy your computer's desk. This is totally online, which means if you open this domain, you can start video editing anywhere, right? Also, as a human, you can do this. For example, like type the text, and after that, you can ask AI to modify it. So that's so cool. And if you want to play around with TikTok, you want to change the aspect ratio, right? You click here and you select the other aspect ratio from here. You are able to open the subtitle functionalities. That's so dope. So you have multiple selections, for example, like the broadcast and Netflix.
The video editing, you can write a single video editing, you can write a single prompt.
Oh my god, you know I'm not native speaker, right? My English not quite good, but this thing recognized every sentence I say, and you got even more styles. That's so dope. I gotta say, that's so dope.
Can help you with video editing.
Let's select all the clips inside of our timeline and change it again. So now we can have the subtitles in every part. So we can create variations of the one video, right? If you want to go different directions, by click here, you can add a new version. That's so dope. You can easily back to the formal version. And you can export anytime by clicking here. We have multiple choices, for example, like the video format, MP4, editing apps, or motion graphics. So right now I choose this one because I want to upload to YouTube. And for the output resolution, we choose this one, highest one. And for the render mode, you can choose use a browser or cloud. So let's choose a cloud first and click here. All right, now we already feel the power of the ChatCut, right? And it's not even all. In fact, you can just directly use this AI to insert some nice motion graphics. For example, like this. So first, let's search an image by Google. All right, and let's download this image and just write a prompt. I just choose number 2, key point call out, highlight the features like the motion graphics, video editing, single prompt. And after we upload the image, AI helps us to convert it into a nice chart, but with motion designs. Let's check it out.
If you are a YouTuber like me, you have this problem. So every time...
That's so dope. Oh my god, we don't need to learn any motion graphic designs anymore. ChatCut is my favorite software of the year. You don't need to editing your video frame by frame anymore, and you don't need to design motion graphic or download motion graphics. All you need to do is ask AI to generate it for you. So you can try it today. Remember the domain is chatcut.io. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.